Top 10, we going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Yo, my mom watch these videos, bro. Put your pants up.
What's your mom's name?
Hey, yo, chill.
What you your face?
Yeah. Chill. You need to get the tools done to something. Let's see if I lift for real, Drew.
On deadlift this shit?
Yeah, let me see what I got.
How much you think that shit is?
Too goddamn much. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker heavier than the bitch. It's not going up.
Corey swapping.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Corey, hey, it's a teamwork. It's a teamwork thing. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Corey. We got this easily. Just the little steps, bro.
Hey, this is 20 years of back pain, fam.
Yo, wait.
How I get 20 years of back pain in 4 seconds?
Fuck. I need a deep tissue, Corey. I need a deep tissue.
Damn.
I didn't lift with my legs.
Nah, yeah, that's
I did not lift with my legs, Drew.
That shit kinda heavy.
You know what? I'm gonna lift with my legs this time.
Alright, bro.
That was a bad move. I ain't dead. I don't lift. I'm lifting with my legs, so I'm just gonna.
That shit.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, you're not low enough.
You gotta bring it up there. Not that low.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Still little steps. Still little steps.
Come on, Rick. Oh, fuck, I almost tripped it. Oh,
I felt way better in the back.
yeah, good looks, gang. You gotta be this close, bro.
Any
You can back up a
post?
back up a little bit, bro.
Back up, gang.
My fault.
See me here, tired as fuck. You gonna get the breathing and all that? What's going on, bro? Calm down.
Well, I want you to get the breath on the camera.
Oh, he's whipping that. He's gonna flip the.
He's gonna do it just for the camera.
Poppy, 20 inside, outside watch. And back here. $10 watch.
I ain't gonna lie, that watered up too. That shit, it watered up.
The man himself. Jeez.
What's up, bro? How you doing? Hello, man.
Just back it up in front of the camera. That's it.
Give me your fist. Look, look amazing.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
TV sitting nice.
I heard someone, I'm like, what can her kid? So I'm like,
It's a fully built motor. My name, Bag.
yeah, I forget. You must say you don't. Right, because I'm on my own shirt, man. This fool is rolling. What the f happened?
I think the head gasket went bad. Either the head gasket went bad and it was not lubricating well.
Yeah,
So the rod flew out the front, it flew out the back, and it flew out underneath.
Oh my
Like
god.
it broke into pieces.
It's like my shit only has a tiny hole right here. At least it didn't f the training.
No, yeah, facts.
You probably hit it the quickest out of everybody that's
I'm
ever been
not-
to this house.
bro.
Usually we warn them because we get close, but I was like, damn, I ain't gonna lie, you got straight to it, bro.
Yeah, this is a new one?
Yeah,
This is a Z3, right?
yeah.
From the TSX?
Yes, sir. 2011 TSX.
I see the welcome. So this is where you guys did the fuel pump regulator shit?
That's
Everything.
everything, bro.
It was crazy when I was in New York, I watched it.
That's fire.
I was trying to do mine and everything.
Everything that
I watched
ever
yours.
get done for after homeboys in Orlando get done in this.
You gonna work on it today? Nah. You want some work gloves?
My dog supervised him, bro. He didn't even take the shirt.
Do not lose this little pin right here.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
You said how long does it usually take you to do that?
It should be like 45, 10 hours.
Wait, Captain.
I'm gonna start the stopwatch now.
Wait, start timing real quick.
And I'm gonna put like 15 minutes on it, okay? You cheated, low key.
Mm-hmm.
Like, he playing like you don't know, but look at him.
That boy getting to work. That boy gonna know how to take an engine apart by 4, bro.
Dad.
Oh, like he picking up. He's like, bro, what's he doing?
He's like, Dad, you need this.
You won't press it. You're not built like that. You getting permission? You still scary? Come on.
I'm like, damn, all right.
Because I had my work for today.
See this condition?
Not terrible.
They could have did a little better oil change.
Extra easily. Don't lie though. CPS though, watch out.
We're not forcing it.
Or two special bowls, okay, this century. So like they only can go here. You, since you go to the gym, you feel me? Lift the motor up a little bit, just like this.
Chill.
Timing cover.
Timing cover.
That's the only thing I learned all day. Timing cover.
The timing chain, the tensioner. See the oil pump. This seal you gotta redo. We're gonna take this off, the tensioner, take the guards off. You should be good. Get this off and take the head off. That's it.
Like what, 20 minutes? Sound good for real.
Yeah. Bro, how much I'm getting paid for this, bro?
Guys are off. Now we take off the cam holders.
Don't you have to ziplock them together?
No, so the actual rockers, yeah. Not that side, this is
Just because it's
yeah,
only
because
side with
this is
VTEC,
side-
right?
Yeah, exactly.
You don't even got the true VTEC engine, bro.
Good try.
Only one side of VTEC.
You're afraid of what, bro?
So these you just want to wiggle them off.
Drop that bit. It's a bit heavy.
Yeah, that one's heavy.
That boy's struggling. That boy can't pick the strap up.
Pick it up, listen. Pick it up. Get it. Get it. Hey, that boy deadlifted that shit.
At the shootout, no, the fight been done. The fight been done. Hey, that boy ain't gonna pull his strap out.
Taking the cam holders off, so these hold the cam down.
Damn.
This is really somebody motor, bro.
Isn't that so funny?
Where's Corey Motor?
Yeah. Damn.
You can see the grade from
Nasty.
the black. That whole punch, bro.
That's crazy.
Nah, bro, that's different.
Pins in there. There's a spring and a pin. You don't want it to fall out. You just want it to stay in place.
Zip tying the rockers.
Rockers.
The rockers.
Rockers.
Before you leave, if you want to band it or anything, let me know.
Bandy.
I don't know. See
That boy said he was band.
Sushi boy.
I like my shit raw.
You little nasty!
You have living proof next to you, so.
You got springs and retainers too or no?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got Super Tech.
Okay.
80 pound.
Yes. We're about to have the same shit. So first mistake I made when I was taking mine apart the first time. I thought this was a bolt. You know, it looks like a bolt that holds it down.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. There you go.
Rocker assembly.
I'll put these bolts back. Oh, these are the head studs.
Okay.
One there. And across that side.
Turn it up.
About to take the head off. You ready, my boy?
I'm trying to see how this shit look for real.
Sockets on the impact, but gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, we gotta
right?
do what we gotta do, bro. That shit ain't snapped yet.
Are you talking right now? Yeah. I'm curious, bro. Corey told me an hour and 10 minutes. That's what Corey originally told me.
You gotta stop it for when I drain the oil, cause
No, that's what I'm saying. It's done. I'm not counting the oil drainer, bro. You good? Just hit 42 minutes even. Just hit 42. I ain't gonna lie, you don't get it under the hour. I'll give you that. Really, just are you gonna make that 45-minute mark? Big reveal.
That's not bad.
I'm just like black though.
Poor maintenance, but everything good.
The block, the cylinder walls look to be in pretty good condition. Pistons are baked, poor maintenance, but
Shit, they're all good. Let me see this one real quick. Yeah. No, that's good. I just don't like right here. There's like a mark. They go up and down smoothly. I would recommend you get the rear main seal. Replace it with a factory one. You good, right?
oh shit, I already got it. Easy. Let them know, easy.
Slight work, slight work. Screw a little faster though.
That's an awkward ass angle to be holding the engine, bro.
Strong ass. Yo.
Y'all ever seen an engine drain like this? Cause I have. You just pouring some juice right now. Let them know. That boy.
In the cup.
What's your game plan now?
I gotta flip this over. Take the oil pan off.
How about Mark said, I'm strong too.
Yeah, the oil's still.
Yeah, that's a lot of oil that.
Well, hopefully nobody don't gotta use the tarp no time soon.
You don't got none of the supplies that you need. We got boxes though. But we got boxes.
No, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Yeah. Oh shit. Not even the whole.
You see this? Yeah. He got it.
There's no grip. There's no grip.
Got my wrist. Hold. We in it. Nah, I got the tool. Why are we even money right now?
Dead ass a tool for this shit.
Throw one here.
$44.38.
Yeah, 44.3. I'll get some.
Wow.
That's crazy though, bro. 40 minutes.
Bearings for the crank. You look bad.
You look
Crank
good.
looks good too.
Alright, where's my boy at? The Hulk.
Looks in pretty good condition. Yeah. Pistons and rods from the new motor we're about to put in. But we're replacing all these, so it don't matter. Yes, sir. There we go. Really came out here. Took apart the engine in how long?
44, 28, or 31.
Under an hour. You got it, bro.
With no like engine stands, no.
This valve cover
Beautiful.
is f***ing beautiful, bro.
That's titanium or that's just a weld mark?
Titanium.
Well, yeah,
Beautiful.
Crazy.
weld marks on titanium. That shit looks fire, bro.
I said Wilmore. Real titanium.
This shit beautiful.
My fault, bro. I seen all got down Scarlet.
On T37s, this shit is clean as
Oh, stop the this run, stop the body. They be having issues. I still got my
clean as cool. It's NA fully built, right?
I don't know, bro.
With no windshield wipers, that shit windshield look long as hell, boy.
Oh, I didn't even peek. That's what you do in the rain.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
In this girl, watch out.
But full.
I know, we got no working comp now.
This video is gonna eat up off of him.
All the baby mamas. Oh my God.
This nigga came and started working so fast. I'm gonna have to film my intro after he leaves. walked in the garage, said, zzz, zzz. Yo. Come on, bro. You gotta move with the camera, bro.
You see me trying to look at this?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying to get Tater on. And, whoa, cause he said he was about to lift it.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You